Hey guys, Chris from Refurbished Audio Installation, and today we're going to try to answer the age-old question, should I buy a refurbished radio online? Well, in today's video we're going to try to figure that out. Let's get started. Okay, so the radio that we have in front of us is a Pioneer AVH W4400 NEX. This is a pretty cool radio in its age. It's about a 2018 model, and what makes this one specific and unique, it includes the option for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now we picked this up at a price point similar to what we've seen this retail new on Amazon, and the reasoning is COVID has really put a stress on the supply of audio equipment, especially on Amazon, and as a result we've seen prices skyrocket. So we have to ask the question, is it better at this point in time to really more heavily consider a refurbished unit over something new just to save a couple of bucks? Well, let's go ahead and tear into this and see exactly what a refurbished unit from Amazon entails. Alright, as we open this up, obviously it did not come in the original packaging, but from the looks of it, it came from Pioneer originally. Now, this is all that the box came in. There was not another box. They shipped it in this box specifically. The shipping label was on the top of it. Now, looking further in here, because it doesn't come with any of the original packaging, it looks like Pioneer has put the radio in this cushion packaging here. So we'll open that here in a second. Let's see what the accessories came with. Okay, so it looks like it did come with a brand new sealed harness for our composite and RCA hookups. So that's cool. It came with a brand new harness there. Oh, it looks like it came with a packet of all new accessories. Look at that. Also comes with a little Amazon Renewed. Talks about their renewal program for refurbished items. Have our invoice. It has a note that the owner's manual is online. Then finally here we have our warranty information. And what's cool, even though this is refurbished, it's refurbished from Pioneer, not a third-party retailer. And fortunately, because it is from Pioneer, you still get a limited warranty with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, looks like it comes with a brand new remote. Comes with a brand new mic. Also comes with a brand new wiring harness, which is really nice. Comes with an aux extension cable. It looks like this has audio and video in it, which is super nice to have. Brand new USB extension cable. New hardware as well. Comes with the case for the screen, which is super nice to have. That looks also brand new. And then finally, a brand new GPS antenna that helps with your wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Alright, so the next thing here is we're going to take a look at the radio itself. Now, so far, I'm actually impressed, because all the accessories that have come generally with the new radio new are included brand new with the refurbished unit. So you're not getting a second-hand wiring harness that's been cut up. Everything here is packaged and cleanly assembled here, so super impressed up to this point. Now the big question is, what's the condition of the radio itself, because that's obviously the big ticket item here. So let's go ahead and get it pulled out of the plastic. Alright, and I'm always sensitive of the screen. Let's take a look at what the screen looks like to see if there's any scratches. So far there is not one blemish on the screen. It wouldn't surprise me if it's a brand new screen that Pioneer has put on. Wow, look at that. That's actually really nice. Let's look at the chassis here. Okay, so you can see some signs that it is used. As you can see, there's some blemishes there on the chassis. There's no dents or marks, just I guess scuffs on the side. On the back here, looks like all the ports are in great condition. And on the other side, this side even looks a little bit more cleaner. Up underneath here, There's your little note that it's a reconditioned product. Comes with a 90-day warranty here. A few more scuffs here on the top, but really there's no other damage whatsoever. And other than the scuffs on the side and not being in the original packaging, from what I can see, it looks like a brand new radio. Now we know it's not because it's a reconditioned one from Pioneer, but the way that they recondition it and prepare it for use again, I'm impressed by the quality of the package here. Now let's go ahead and get this booted up just to double check everything's working properly, and we'll give you our final thoughts. Okay, so at this point we got the radio ready to go. Let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time. Now this is the first time we're seeing it as well. So far it's booting it up. Okay. So far we don't notice any issues whatsoever, and there shouldn't be. I mean, Pioneer certifies these are refurbished. These are certified refurbished units, and so you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever, hence why they even provide a 90-day warranty with it. So if you do end up getting it, there is a problem, they'll replace it for free. So as we can tell, everything seems to be working great here. Yeah, no complaints whatsoever. We're super excited. So in the end, the question is, should I buy refurbished instead of new? Well, to save yourself a couple of bucks, especially when radio prices are extremely inflated right now and supply it's really hard to get a hold of, yes. If you can find a refurbished unit, get a refurbished unit, save yourself a couple of bucks, and enjoy the features and specs of basically a brand new radio at a reduced cost. So from the Provo Beast Garage, we say yes, go ahead and purchase this. We picked this one up refurbished directly through Amazon, and it came right from Pioneer. So we're super excited for it. We're gonna get this thing installed in a Subaru WRX. So if you want to see this radio installed in a dash, check the description. We'll have a link there as well as a card up above. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions on what we did here, post a comment below. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We do great videos and post great content all the time on the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.